What's cracking, everybody? It's your boy King Fresh. We're out here with another bang. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the Cave Gang movement. Let's go. In this video, pretty much we go to the first spot, and as soon as we go to the first spot, it lasts like around 15 to 10 minutes. Chopper passes by. We don't do anything about it. At that moment, I should have just like dipped, but we ended up staying, and then we all get up impounded. It was like about 38 to 40 cars that were impounded. ¡Viva México, putos! History clouds. Con la bandera. Vergas. Okay, we got a Mustang now, okay. And Chopper's coming in quick and low right now. Everybody, it's your boy King Fresh. We're out here with another banger Friday night. This is a Halloween meet right now. It's packed as hell. We got 6 cops pulling up right now as we speak, and we're on our way to the third location. Okay, so the cops blocked that side over there, and I think they're blocking this side as well. We're boxed in. So we got cops on this side, we got cops on this side, we got cops on this side. Yeah, they're boxing us all in. Dang, oh, the cops are off-roading! Oh, what the hell? God damn! We got the chopper in the sky as we speak as well. The cops are in riot uniform and shit. God damn, the cops are not playing tonight. They got the guns and everything now. They're in riot gear and everything. I haven't seen this in a long time. Chill. That's it, we're trapped. They're gonna impound the cars.
I can't have that.
Alright guys, so at this point of the video, I'm gonna be recording with cell phone because I left my camera inside the car and it got impounded, so quality is gonna be a little bit shitty.
Task forces, look at y'all.
Damn, the cops Came out of nowhere, just boxed everybody in. Damn, guys, there's way too many cops right here. Like, trying to impound everybody right now. There's cops on this side, on that side, and the other side. It's like way too many cops.
We go training, you can get a whole Miata for that age.
God damn. He's coming from work and they left him here.
There's really 6 cops right here.
I just got out of work too and I'm here. I'm working right here in La Goya. Right there. And the tow trucks are coming in now. These guys are all horny right now. They're like, oh, hell yeah.
Hey, dude.
And then you come with this beautiful sticker right here. God damn.